Kuch Mita Hojai. Subscribe at Saderish.
Gusto ka din shakshuka?
Excuse me, what's the recipe of it?
This is the recipe.
You can put anything in it and just crush it.
No sample, please. Finish already.